Hello there! Welcome to our storytelling. Today, I'm going to tell you a story about the jungle. Let's go to the jungle. For that, before I take my book, we are going to call a friend. Friend! Louder, louder. Más duro. Friend! Yes! Louder! Friend! Oh my God! Look at the snake! What is this animal? It is a snake. Good morning, Mrs. Snake. Good morning, everyone. I'm come today to make you a company to read a story. Oh, really? Wow, this is excellent. Okay. Now we're going to take our book and look at. Oh, what is the place? What is this place? Maybe it's a jar? The house? No. Maybe it's a living room in the house? No. I know. It's the farm. No. No, neither is the farm. Okay, now the place is the jungle. Excellent. In the jungle we can find so many animals. Which animals we can find? Let's see. Okay, we are going to search which animals we can find there. But first, we have to be quiet and listen carefully, okay? We are going to open the book. Oh my God, this book is alive! Oh my God! Okay, I open and you're going to tell me which is the animal. Where is the animal? You can see? You can see him or no? It's a lion? No? It's a tiger. An elephant? Really? Hello, Mr. Elephant. Look at Mr. Elephant. Mr. Elephant is big and blue. Yes. The color of the elephant is blue, and the elephant is big or is small. For example, this book is big, this book is small. Small, big. Yes, the elephant is big. Look at, this elephant is small, that one is big. Yes. Look at the parrot. Hello, Mr. Parrot. The parrot is small, the elephant is big. Good job. This animal is scary. Oh my God, Mr. Lion and his kids. Oh, this is sleepy. Look at Mr. Lion also is big and the little lions are small. They are yellow. And Mr. Lion is yellow and brown. Excellent. Oh, this is really beautiful animal. Ta-da! Wow! She is Mrs. Hippo. Hippo like to hiding in the water, under the water, or under the mouth. But she stomp also. So look at Mrs. Hippo is big or is small? Yes, excellent. She is big. And what is the color? Yellow? Purple. Good job. Got a man. Oh, say hello, zebras. Look at the zebras. The zebras aren't big and aren't small. Look at the turtle. Look at this turtle. The turtle is small. The zebras are bigger than the turtle, but they are not big than the elephant. Look at the elephant. The elephant is so big. And the zebras are medium. They are in the middle of the big and small. For example, with the books. Look at this book is bigger. Well, they are the same. Maybe this one. Look at this book is big. This book is medium. And this is small. Look at the size. Small, medium, and big. Okay, let's continue. Mrs. Zebra is white, yes, and black. Excellent, and she is medium. Wow! Look at the giraffe. The giraffe is big? No, exactly. She's tall. No, short, tall. For example, here, the giraffe is tall. The zebras are short. Tall, short. The giraffe is tall, have a long neck, and it is yellow and brown. Look at the monkey. Oh, the monkey is small. Excellent. And it is brown. Good job. Look at. Oh my God. It's the crocodile. He almost bit me in my hand. Oh my goodness. Hello, Mr. Crocodile. Hello. But he's friendly. He's not so dangerous. Look at Mr. Crocodile is green. Excellent. And big. Or maybe is long. Could be, but not so long. Look at this one. A snake friend. Look at the snake. This snake is short. This snake is short. This one is long. Long, long, short. Look at it. This is short. This is long. Excellent. This snake is green. And this one is yellow and brown. Okay, let's continue. It's a tiger. Look at the monkeys. This tiger is not so big. It's small and yellow. Excellent. Oh, wow! There are so many animals in the jungle. Oh my God. They're really, really, really good. I love the jungle animals. So let's do a review. It's an elephant, big and blue. It's a lion, yellow and brown, and it is big. It's a hippo. It is big and purple. These are zebras, black and white, and they are medium. These are giraffes. These are tall and brown and yellow. This is a Mr. Crocodile. It's green and big. This is a tiger, and it's medium and it's yellow and orange. Look at the monkeys. The monkeys are brown and small. And look at this one. This snake is red, yellow and blue, and it's short. This one is long. It's long, yellow and brown. Okay, it's everything for today. I'm really happy that you enjoyed this story, and see you the next story time. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the story. See you in the next class. See you later, alligator.